manifest that I have submitted, Presiding Officer, Mr. Senate President, written continuing objection to the ruling on the Presiding Officer dated 20 July 2026 on the subpoena. But according to the journal service, it will not be included in the journal. May I move that it be included in the records? In the records, whatever is more convenient for everyone.
It will definitely be in the record and transcript, Your Honor. We will see what we can do about the journal. Can we get back to you?
Yes.
Because there's a technical difficulty. I
We were
believe.
just under the impression na until today. That's why hinabol ko ng 5:31, then nilagay ko na lang possible supplemental. But whatever is more convenient for the
Then
clerk of court.
the chair will entertain a motion to reconsider the approval of the journal earlier so that we can include this in the journal, then approve it. If you would like to make that motion, Your Honor.
Well, may I move that we reconsider approval of journal just so that we can include what we agreed on yesterday, which is the written objection.
There is a motion to reconsider the approval of the journal of yesterday, July 20, 2026, in order to include as part of the journal the written manifestation of Senator Judge Alan Cayetano, as we have done so with respect to Senator Judges Villanueva, Marcos, Go, Villar Camille, and Legarda. Absent any objections, the motion is approved. Journal is
Thank you.
reconsidered. And the insertion of the manifestation of the Honorable Cayetano is so included, so ordered.
Thank you, dear colleagues.
Would you like to complete the process and move for the approval of the journal now?
We move the
Senator Judge
approval with the amendment, not an insertion.
The journal is approved as amended by inserting the manifestation of Senator Judge Alan Cayetano. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the same is approved, sans the reading of the same.
Mr. Presiding Officer, just
Yes,
one
what is the
point.
pleasure
Just
of,
to make a
Senator
manifestation.
Judge Villanueva?
Yes, Mr. President. It's that, I just wanted to put on record that this representation is not objecting. Only.
Proceed.
Director.
Thank you.
Duly noted. Senator Judge Cayetano may proceed with his interjections. He has 2 minutes. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready.
Good afternoon, Mr. Witness, Director, Attorney Matibag, schoolmate.
Good afternoon, sir, Your Honor.
Yeah, just on that point ni Senator Bam, I understand as a law enforcer, as an investigator, you have to take all threats seriously. I'll ask you the same questions I asked the two NBI officers, and I do understand they were not under your supervision during that time dahil dun pa sila kay Director Santiago. No? I won't ask all the questions, but you did review the whole video or just the portions relevant to the statement of the Vice President na no joke, yung November 23.
Your Honor, napanood ko po yung video, but you're correct. I focus mainly on the issue that is being
So
undertaken.
simple question, paano naging process kung anong parts ng video at ng statement niya ang paniniwalaan mo or ng task force? So it's not personal. I mean, if you were in the task force or as you said, you created the task force, now at duty nyo yung safety ng high government officials. Anong process nyo kung anong parts ng video ang paniniwalaan nyo at hindi? Ng statements niya, what I meant.
Well, ang ginawa po natin dyan, doon po mismo sa konteksto ng kanyang sinabi na humanap siya ng papatay at inutos niya na papatayin ang tatlong individual at yun po ay pumayag yung papatay at sinabi pa niya no joke. Doon pa lamang po ay napin na pong nakita yung pong ating hinahanap po na mga pwede niyang pananagutan po sa batas.
Well, as an appointee of this government, as a lawyer, as an NBI director, I see your point and I get that. But what I meant is that before that statement, sabi kasi niya, kung papatayin ako, I mean, the record will bear out naman yung eksaktong sinabi niya. No? So this is my paraphrase. But ang pagkaintindi ko sa sinabi niya, kung papatayin ako, eto yung tatlong papatayin mo. And ang impression ko, pinagbibintangan niya yung tatlo na may plot against her. So, yun ang tanong ko dun sa two previous NBI directors. If you're going to believe that she contracted or talked to, may kausap, no? Siya, if you're going to believe that may kausap siya at papapatay yung tatlo, will you not believe the previous nung sinabi niyang kung ako naman ang papatayin?
Hindi po ganoon sapagkat ang tinignan na nga po natin ay yung kanyang mismong pagbabanta. At sa amin po sa ngayon yung aking pong task force na nag-iimbestiga ay malinaw po na ang tinitingnan ay kung ano na ang nangyari dahil doon sa pagbabanta.
Okay.
At sinasabi nga po namin dahil po doon sa pagbabanta, ito po ay umabot na doon na po sa level na ang national security nataya na po na kompromiso na sapagkat marami na pong lumalabas, tuloy-tuloy na pagbabanta. So doon na po natin ito
Yes.
tinitingnan.
In the same video, she mentioned massive corruption. But wala pa dyan kasi yung mayam kayo speech at flood control investigation. So, same question, Director. Naintindihan ko, yun yung pinaniwalaan nyo. May kausap siya, no joke, no joke. Pero ang question ko, paano yung proseso nyo or anong naging thinking nyo na etong papapatay yung presidente, pinaniniwalaan ko, pero etong siya ang papatayin, hindi ko paniniwalaan, at etong graft and corruption, hindi ko rin paniniwalaan. What's the process there?
Well, ang proseso po dyan ay tinignan naman natin doon po sa pagbabanta niya kung sa grave threat po yung pag-uusapan natin. Alam naman po natin na yung threat na yan is absolute dahil nandoon naman po yung elemento eh. Doon naman po sa sinasabi namin na tuloy-tuloy na pag-iimbestiga dahil ito nga po ay umabot na sa level lang na naapektuhan ng national security. We take into context yung mismong sinabi niya na meron siyang kinausap at yung kanyang kinausap ay pumayag. Yung po kanyang sinasabi na kung papatayin ako, that is supposed to be na statement niya sa aming pong pananaw just to cover yung kanyang pagsasabi na siya may kinausap para patayin ang ating Pangulo.
Okay, I won't argue with you, yun yung proseso nyo. But in the meantime, there were 3 statements. Massive corruption, kung papatayin siya, patayin. So, focusing dun sa patayin yung 3 kung papatayin siya. In the meantime, tumutuo yung yung massive corruption lumabas afterwards, di ba? So, just one other point. At the beginning of the prosecution's question to you, and I think the defense had a question about what can you investigate. Can you repeat your answer? As the NBI director and the NBI can investigate, did you say all crimes or yung mga
Lahat po ng mga pumapasok sa amin na mga krimen ay amin pong pwedeng imbestigahan, mutu proprio. Ganon din po yung mga krimen na meron pong nagreklamo na araw-araw na may pumupunta sa aming tanggapan para magreklamo. Ito po yung aming iniimbestigahan. At meron din pong mga iniimbestigahan kami na inutos po ng Department of Justice, and by the very nature under the Constitution po ng Office of the Ombudsman, they can delegate the National Bureau of Investigation to...
So as a general rule, you can investigate any crime motu proprio.
More than the investigation of the crime is also the protection of our nationals. Saka po siyempre siguraduhin na promote ang ating demokrasya, hindi nakukompromiso.
Yes, but sa
Lahat po
investigation lang. So you can investigate any crime.
yan. Tama po.
Yeah. Isn't that against the Republic Act 10867? The statute that gives
statute
you
of-
power? The act reorganizing and modernizing the National Bureau of Investigation. Sabi dito sa inyong Section 4, the NBI shall have the following powers and functions. Undertake and investigate the detection of crimes and offenses enumerated under Section 5. Section 5, may enumeration, human trafficking cases in all airports, extrajudicial, extralegal killings committed by state security forces against media practitioners' activities, killings of justices and judges, violation of 100175, otherwise known Cyber Crime Act, Prevention Act, cases against Interagency Graft Coordinating Council and violations of the Anti-Dummy Law. Tapos, cases involving threats, security assaults against persons of the President, Vice President, Senate President, Speaker of the House, Chief Justices. Walang congressman, senators, unlike judges lahat. Transnational crimes pursuant to existing international agreements, identification of dead victims in case of mass fatalities, incidents caused by natural disaster, and violation of commercial, economic, financial, white-collar crimes, nakadyan yung law. So, exclusive yung enumeration. Then, provided, however, if that the President or Secretary of Justice may direct the NBI to undertake investigation of any crime when public interest so requires. So, hindi ba limited ang pwede niyong imbestigahan except that ang DOJ at President ang pwede mag-atas? That's my last question.
Yes. Kindly wind up.
Well,
Witness may answer.
Yes, yung pong ating listahan na yan, tama po, nandiyan dyan. Subalit, hindi naman po sinasabi na nalilimita dyan ang aming pong pag-iimbestiga. Sapagkat malinaw po ang mandato ng NBI that we are the primary investigating body. Yun lamang nga po, merong mga kaso, kung ito po ay bumagsak na sa jurisdiction halimbawa ng PNP na kanilang iniimbestigahan, we can still help and coordinate at the same way na kung kami po ay nag-iimbestiga at ang PNP pwede rin pong tumulong
Well,
po sa amin.
Director, if that's your interpretation, that goes against what they taught us in law school, na pag exclusive yung enumeration, you cannot add. And at the end of the enumeration of Section 5, nakalagay nga dito, however, the President and the Secretary of Justice may direct you to undertake investigations of any crime. Why do they have to say any crime if you can do it any crime? if you can investigate any crime after all. It seems that you're expanding your jurisdiction by yourself.
Well, we've been doing po yan sapagkat we have also our primary role to make sure that law and order is being promoted through the NBI din po.
Senator Cayetano
Thank you.
can avail
Thank
of
you.
the second
Sorry.
round.
Yeah, thank you.
Gangster, you know, we do that better than anybody. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high,